Let's see how to create customized passport photo layouts in PenguinEdit. Click Start Layout Generator to begin creating your passport photo. Select Single Image Mode to upload and size one photo. Click Browse Files to choose a photo from your computer. Click Continue to crop to trim your photo for passport sizing. Click Save and continue to finalize your cropped photo and proceed. Click the plus button to add another copy of this image. Tap the plus button to increase copies for this image. Click plus again to add more image copies if needed. Click Apply and Preview to generate and view your layout. Use the plus button to increase photocopies on this page. Click plus to add additional copies of the selected photo. Tap plus to include more copies of this image. Click the plus button again to add extra copies. Press plus to raise the number of copies for this photo. Click the minus button to reduce copies if you added too many. Adjust the copies using plus or minus until you reach desired quantity. Click Update Preview to refresh the live print layout. Click Next Page to move to the following composition page. Click Submit to process and save your print layout configuration. Click Confirm, Download to download your print layout file. Click No Thanks, maybe later to close this promotion. Open Live Print Preview to inspect your actual print layout. Click Cancel and go home to exit the Print Layout tool. Click Yes, Exit to confirm leaving the Print tools.